expedition is over.
I can't let you turn back now.
You gotta be kidding me.
Anacondas, the hunt for the Blood Orchid.
What the hell is all back there? It's a long story! Run!
As a case study for it, right? I was watching I watched the latest Anaconda film, the one with Jack Black and the other comedians, and then I watched Anaconda 2, not the first Anaconda, but Anaconda 2, the search for the Red Orchid, or the Blood Orchid, I think it's called. Now, I haven't finished watching that film yet because I'm so busy. But I watched the first 10 minutes of that film, and I watched the first 10 minutes of Jack Black's Anaconda film. Jack Black film, I believe, didn't work is because of the timing. They had to fill the first half an hour, because most films are now 2 hours long or 3 hours long. They had to fill the first half an hour of mindless rubbish. I mean, the actual film itself is fucking rubbish, but they just had to fill it with pointless talking, pointless sort of explanations about their lives, and I'm just like, oh, for God's sake, just get on with it. Just get to the goddamn jungle, for goodness sakes. I gotta tell you, I think I got more out of the low budget B movie that was Anaconda and the search for the Blood Orchid. I could understand exactly what was happening and who the characters were within the first 10 minutes of watching that film than I did for the first 10 minutes of watching Jack Black's film. I think in the first 10 minutes of Jack Black's Anaconda, it was just they weren't even in the jungle yet. They were still talking about being friends and a reunion and making a movie. And I was just like, by the time you guys had got to the 10-minute mark in that film, Anaconda and the Blood Orchid, they're already in the river and getting chased by a goddamn anaconda.